start ScratchJr. Alright, you can install easily, and after that only double click on it and you will start ScratchJr. It is using for the class 3, 4 and 2. Click on home, use it for the setting purpose. Alright, English is there, okay, then we will click on home. After clicking home, we will click on this edition button, we will click on that one. Now here, if you want to delete this one, you will press left button of the mouse and you will delete. I want to insert more one, for example this one. Click. If you want to go for the pant, you can design the different color on it. You can dip blue color for that one, right? Okay. I want to change the background. You can change the background easily. Okay. Drag that one. These are different blocks. We click here. These block including this one, start for clicking. This one for move forward, backward, up, down, and jump. Right. This one redo. Then using for say something high, and this one you big the size, small the size, medium the size, and this one using for height and show. For different sound, and you can include your sound also. So using for the looping purpose, you want to repeat 2 times, 3, 4 times, running slow, fast, and very fast, stop and give time. This one using for stop, it will be one time. This is using for multiple time, it will be run. This is a big screen and this one small screen. Green flag for running, that one undo. Want to write something inside that one, you can. Well, let's move how we will make a program. First program, we'll click here and drag it and forward for the 10 step. After 10 step, it will be up 5, and after that forward 10 step, and then go down 5. If you want to go for move or jump for 5 times, it will be. The last one, it will be drop last. And now you will see, you will click here and now it will work. Okay, stop. Okay, if you want to that one multiple time, you can drag this one, use it for multiple time. When you stop, it will be stop. Infinity number of time it will be executed. Press stop, drag it here. Now we will move this one and drag down this one again. Okay. Now this one, if you want to say something high and height and show. Now let's see. Height and show again. Okay, now this one speak something. Let's see. If I click here, record. Hi, how are you? You can drag here. Now let's see. Again. Hi, how are you? Okay. This one using for, it will be stop for 10 seconds if you use Okay, and I want to repeat it this process for only 2 times. Right, we'll go there and play. Now let's see. It will repeat. Hi, how are you? Off. It will be shown now. Hi, how are you? 2 times it will be repeat. Okay, if you want to multiple spread there, you can use easily from lizard, include the other one. This one is right. Now click here, drag it only for the boy right here 20 times, and it will be repeat how many? 2 times. And also if you give here fast, now you will see it will be fast. 2 times it will be. Hi, how are you? Okay, now we will go there and stop that one. So lizard by clicking that one, and it will be compare slow number of time 4 times, wait, and for 20. Right, you can, when you click here, run, but when you click this on lizard, hi, how are you? Work. Okay, hi, this is the environment of the Scratch. When you want to go for the new one, you can. This is using undo and redo. We click here for the new one. There are different type of projects there. For the race, car race, right? Okay, now again we will go there. Other one, this project. Okay, only L-fader will be run. Okay, now okay, Allah Hafiz, take care, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Okay, Allah Hafiz and take care.